OnePlus may be preparing a big change with its next flagship lineup, and this time, it could be bringing back something many fans have been asking for. According to a new rumor, the OnePlus 16 series might include a Pro, or even an Ultra model, focused on delivering a complete flagship experience instead of prioritizing just one area. For a bit of context, OnePlus used to regularly release Pro models in its numbered flagship series. This trend continued up until the OnePlus 10 Pro, which launched in 2022. After that, the company dropped the Pro branding from its main lineup. Devices like the OnePlus 11, 12, and most recently the OnePlus 15 focused on a more streamlined strategy, with performance often taking center stage. Now, that strategy might be changing again. A new rumor shared by ex-user OnePlus Club suggests that OnePlus is planning to launch a Pro or Ultra model as part of the OnePlus 16 lineup. According to the source, this device would aim to be an all-rounder flagship, offering strong performance, solid cameras, a premium display, and an overall balanced experience. This would be a noticeable shift from the approach taken with the OnePlus 15. The OnePlus 15 delivered a major performance boost compared to its predecessor, thanks to improvements in processing power. However, it also came with clear downgrades in camera hardware, which disappointed some users. OnePlus also priced the OnePlus 15 lower than the OnePlus 13 in China, showing that the company was willing to cut back in some areas to keep costs down. If the rumor is accurate, the OnePlus 16 Pro or OnePlus 16 Ultra could reverse that idea. Instead of focusing mainly on performance, OnePlus may try to deliver a device that competes head-to-head with other top-tier flagships across all categories. That includes cameras, display quality, battery life, and build materials, not just raw speed. The same source claims that this Pro or Ultra model would launch in the fourth quarter of 2026. While that is still a long way off, early leaks about the standard OnePlus 16 already give us some hints about the direction OnePlus could be heading in. For example, leaks suggest that the OnePlus 16 might feature a display with a refresh rate of at least 200 Hz. If true, this would be one of the highest refresh rates ever seen on a smartphone. There have also been rumors pointing to a major camera upgrade. A recent leak suggested that the OnePlus 16 could adopt a 200MP camera sensor. High-resolution sensors like this are already being used by other flagship brands, mostly for advanced zoom and detailed photography. If OnePlus combines such a camera with better overall camera hardware on a Pro or Ultra model, it could address one of the biggest complaints about the OnePlus 15. Bringing back a Pro or Ultra model would also help OnePlus better compete with rivals that offer multiple flagship tiers. Brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, and even iQOO already provide standard, Pro, and Ultra models to cover different user needs. Interestingly, iQOO has recently confirmed that it will launch the iQOO 15 Ultra, showing that competition in the Ultra flagship space is only getting stronger. Of course, it's important to remember that all of this is still based on rumors. OnePlus has not officially confirmed anything about the OnePlus 16 series, including the existence of a Pro or Ultra model. Early leaks often change over time, and company strategies can shift before launch. Still, the idea of a true all-round OnePlus flagship is exciting for longtime fans. Many users miss the days when OnePlus devices offered top-tier performance, strong cameras, and premium features all in one package. If OnePlus does bring back a Pro or Ultra model with the OnePlus 16 series, it could mark a return to that balanced flagship philosophy. For now, all eyes will be on future leaks and official announcements. If these rumors turn out to be true, the OnePlus 16 series could become one of the most interesting flagship lineups OnePlus has released in years.